Hey songwriters, welcome back to another edition of At Home Songwriting. I'm Chad Shank and I'm appreciative of you hopping along on this journey through songwriting. This channel is all about helping people like yourself write the best songs that you can. So today, the topic is, what the heck should I write about? You know, a lot of times we get this spark of inspiration and maybe we have a list of like 10 topics that we want to write about, and we write 10 songs and we're like, all right, now what do I have to write about? So one of the things that I have done, and this is a really easy and simple thing that you can do, all you need is some time. So time is the first ingredient. You need a pen. That's the other thing. And then you also need note cards. So what the heck? So I have about 200 note cards here. So how I decided that I would try to break this cycle of what the heck am I going to write about is I bought a couple of packets of just blank, everyday 3x5 note cards, right? And then I started to go through all of the songs that I like on, Apple Music, Spotify, my CDs, my music collection. And what I did was I went through and I wrote down not the actual details, but I wrote down the high level topic. Like, what are they writing about? Because I figured if these are popular songs and somehow they made it to me, these concepts are very universal, right? So I don't have to write that concept or that theme the same way that someone else did, but it can be a creative spark. So I went through, and this is where the time piece comes in, is you kind of have to listen to 100 to 200 songs. I did this in 2 batches, by the way. So I had 100 cards, did 100 songs, and then when I was bored another day, I got another 100 cards and then listened to another 100 songs. But so what I did was wrote down the theme. So now if I'm writing and I don't know what I want to write about, I just pull a card, right? So if I pull one out here, this one is, I have the power to blank. So I have the power to blank. So I could write a song about, I have the power to love. I have the power to leave. I have the power to accomplish my dreams. Like, whatever that topic is, I have the power to give up. Those types of things. So now I have a topic just from picking a random card, and I know it comes from another song, right? So there's some meat there. So I know that it can be a universal topic. What's another example? Let's dig in and pull one out here. This one was a question based on a song. So this question could be a song starter for you. What was the last thing your grandparents told you? So what was the last thing your grandparents told you? Turn that into a song. Another one sticking out here. So attracted to you. That's a really common theme. But when you're sitting not knowing what to write about, this can spark that creativity, especially when, a lot of us are told, write what you know. But the reality is a lot of our day-to-day lives are pretty lame. Let's be honest. What do? We go to work, we go hang out, we watch Netflix, we watch Hulu, we listen to music, we write songs, we might go to the gym. Let's be real, I don't go to the gym. But anyway, this is such a cool trick, and something that I use quite often just to spark an idea is just take some time, get some note cards, listen to some songs, write down the themes, and you have this instant creativity starter. So hopefully that tip is helpful for you. If you're digging this channel, be sure you hit subscribe, hit like, and then also I want to let you know that there is a free verse writing workshop that you can sign up for and view on my athomesongwritingcourses.com website. Not only can you get online lessons, but there's an online community where you can share your songs, get feedback from me and other songwriters. We have special online events and song challenges, and also free workshops. We do it at least monthly. usually more. So thanks for checking out At Home Songwriting. Make sure you check out some of these other videos here as well, because they're going to help you become a better songwriter. So see you next time.